Whew. It's a solid block of ice. It is. And there it is. Awesome. Light on. I was just shown this. People have access to it. And I don't even have my helmet, so it's gonna be fun. Ouch. Oh, tight. Ah, shit. Oh, that was dumb. What happened was I slammed the bottom of the handle that I used to hold my camera on the ground, and the light popped off. Okay. That's ice. But look at that. Coming out, saw this. It's an old forestry trail cam box. Neat. I know this was a short video, but again, that was pretty cool.